Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a wonderful weekend, a great day. We had a great profitable trading day, so we don't have to look for one. We're actually done for the day, so I'll give you a market recap of what we've got going on with the stock market. Down 434 points right now, taking a beating. Also, I'll update you on, I played some golf this weekend, got a new golf hat, played great. I'll also update you on my get rich or die GPU mining. I'll show you all about my GPU mining. I got Mr. Remington down here, Mr. Bobo Schneer right there, and the MOJO Day Trade room right here too. Got a whole happy family. Let's check it on out. There's Mr. Remington right there, Bobo Schneer. He's over there. Hi, Bobo. There, Bobo. Hi, Bobo. He's sitting out there. What you doing, Bobby? Come on in, baby. I'll show you. Come hang out with me here, buddy. Come on. The greatest dog in the whole world. After the MOJO show? You can sit on my lap, and then this guy down here, he's just... Hi, Mr. Ram. What's up, everybody? Happy holidays from me and the Bobo Schneer. You stay right there, Bobo. See what we did today. Got some good things. Oh, thank you, Bobo. We got some good things happening. Someone says waiting for my... Oh, no way. I'm on the wrong freaking thing again. Son of a gun, I'm on the wrong channel. Darn rabbit. Live on stock stream. Ooh, I'm live on YouTube. I was on my wrong account. Back. Guess that worked. Anyone watching here? Better watch out. Thanks, man. My boy, he's a cute puppy. He's not a puppy, he's actually full grown. He's a miniature dachshund. He's a piebald. Awake. Show you what's happening with the stock market and many other great things. How many coins I got in my wallet? 28 coins. Gotta send them over to the exchange. Sell them for some micro Bitcoin. Check out micro Bitcoin, folks. Told you. It's the #1 active coin on the whole exchange. And popping up. And there's a lot of buying going into it. It's up 66% right here. And it's on all coin market cap. Right here, and you go to a trending Gainers. Number 3, up 53%. I told everybody, man, I did a blog article on that. I told everyone, man. Bitcoin, look, top 3. It's traded $278,000 today. A lot of money. Obviously, it makes sense to people. I'll show you right here. Micro Bitcoin. Micro Bitcoin. Wake up, little baby. Top 3 crier. Gainer. All of crypto land. Want my son, and here on the Stex exchange. There's a link below in my profile. That's where I'm buying it. You send money over from Coinbase to that Stex. Spelled crypto land wrong. There, Micro Bitcoin. Love that, right? Oh, mama home. How did you miss it by a penny? To save $1 in the spread, you cost yourself a $200. Yeah, I did. Not knocking you. I don't trade stocks. I trade futures. But what order we using? It was. Don't worry about it, Smitty. None of your fucking business. As Craig Wright would say. I should just put this in a in one of my videos.
Is not big. $30 billion is pissant. That dot there, Bitcoin. When that dot there is everything, we have succeeded.
Yeah, now ask him a question.
About what the fuck with my money. I have quite frankly, none of your business. I have my economic sovereignty.
Me and him.
I am financially secure.
Thank you.
I'll do whatever the fuck I want with my money. That's the nature of Bitcoin. It is about financial sovereignty. And that means not answering to anyone about what the fuck I want to do. Did you actually read?
There you go. Micro Bitcoin, 5 cents, rising up. That shit goes over 6 right here, pops right to 11, doubles and triples. That's what I think it does. And it's traded huge volume. It's traded 1,315,594,281 micro Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. That's some hefty volume, man. 1.3 billion. The greatest. And you got it right up here, micro bit, up 53%. See how it's making its move right here on the chart? Told you, I've been mining it, accumulating it, researching it. Look, volume's starting to just come in right now. You see it? Look at that. It's 9 o'clock this morning. Everyone's checking out the Mojo shit, right? If you don't own it, it's probably maybe too late to get the money over, cleared. And Coinbase takes 6 days for you to clear the money over there to send it over. So you're kind of fucked. That's micro Bitcoin right there. See the volume coming in for the first time ever. Look. See the little scrimp and scrape right here? Look what last time it did. Went up, it's ready to go test that shizzle again. See, look at that little tiny thing down there. You see that? A little skibby dibby of a volume bar. See that little skibby dibby? Yeah. Look at that. Imagine what it's going to look like when it goes here, there, and it goes test the top of that. That right there is a 14 cents. Dang, it should be $1. Let me show you my blog article I wrote on it. I wrote a blog article on it. Not on just on that one, on all Bitcoin denominations. Let me show you to you. Oh, this is the Mojo homepage. Be happy to check it out. It's got a link to the it's got a nice Discord connect to the chat room right here. If you ever need to connect, over 150 letters from real traders right here. Just see what the traders have to say, man. You could be one of them. That's nice. I'll show you the blog. Tyrone's a good guy. He's been with me for a long time. He was a landscaper. Worked his ass off 9 to 5 until he finally, learned my system and made it. Now he makes triple of what he makes as a landscaper. Let me show you. Tyrone, just his. I know all my traders. You saw me scroll through like 100 of them. I'll just show you. Look, I know all Alan, Carol, Lop. They're all in the room right now. Colin in the room right now with Alan. Colin's been with me since 2014. Look, he's right here in the room. He's probably in his restaurant right now, but if you come down to offline traders, he's probably right here. There he is, Colin. There he is, Pro Trader Colin right there. See? All my pro traders. Hundreds of them, guys. Lifetime traders. For Tyrone. Roll down. I remember just seeing his name. I know all these people. Sash, Pure Luck, Lawyer, Tyrone. Mike, after making some time this past week to reflect on my life, I want to express to you my sincere appreciation for the services, teaching, and guidance you provide. I started following you on Twitter last year and stumbling across the Mojo website and being amazed by the transparency and the trade results. In 3 years of trading, I previously subscribed to several popular rooms and never seen anything remotely close. The next thing that caught my eye was your win percentage, which at the time I honestly thought I'd be a hoax. Intrigued, I began watching your daily recap videos. I watched them every afternoon for 2 months. After a shift in my work schedule granted me some flexibility, I joined the Mojo team in 2015. At the time, I decided I needed my first available class of Mojo U. I later did in 2015. Who was the landscaper? It wasn't Tyrone. It was one of these guys. All right. Anyway, my first day in the room, I was immediately impressed by how methodical and consistent the daily trade plan was. You express the significance of trading as a businessman instead of a trader and having the discipline to stop and immediately leaving after reaching goals. As the trade plays were executed, you were adamant about the importance of making the right decisions to avoid losses. It became obvious that MOJO Day Trading was unlike anything I've ever experienced. You're like none of the so-called gurus I previously followed, the guys calling out 15 trades only to advertise the service by touting the 5 that were the successes. Most notably, I quickly realized how genuine you were in helping people progress towards reaching their goals, and since my first day in the room, I had nothing but the utmost respect for you. It was then I found exactly what I needed in a coach to succeed. Prior to MOJO, I experienced my fair share of ups and downs in the markets, mostly downs. Day trading was painful in particular because after swing trading for some success after a couple of years, I had false confidence that made me believe I should automatically be a good trader. I rode the roller coaster for slow swing profits, followed by quick and painful day trading losses. After blowing up 3 accounts, I experienced something truly humbled me. I thought to myself, I'm not cut out for this. My entire life was the first time I thought ever not good enough to achieve something I set my sights on. Along with that came the frustration of not wanting to give up, but knowing my addiction would jeopardize my financial situation. Learning from you has taught me invaluable lessons and skills I can recall at once. It's only been 4 months. Taking MOJO U was the best decision I've made. From the first night, the course was packed with invaluable information, but it kept on getting better every session for the next several weeks. Having graduated MOJO U, it's priceless. Know that you absolute certainty that I'll be more successful in trading than I ever thought possible. My original goal in the mornings was to supplement my business income with an additional $30,000 to $40,000 annually. With your guidance in MOJO U, I've devised a roadmap to my new ultimate goal of $400,000 annually. It's surreal to write that goal down, and absolute certainly I'll do it. My advice to anyone who wishes to trade successfully is save your sanity and your money. Take MOJO University as soon as possible. What you will pay for it compared to the value your life is peanuts. Don't make a mistake I did by letting the allure of making money in the market blind from the most important from a beginner. That's learning and developing the ability to lose money. It doesn't matter how good of a trader you think you are, eventually you become if you lose to the point of taking yourself out of the game. Pro Trader Mike teaches profound understanding of the market and price action that gives you the edge you need to concede consistently. Otherwise, the easiest way to fail is anticipate it, and until you learn not to lose, you will anticipate. You're used to it. Keep repeating the process. It's inevitable. It's closing. God bless you, Mike, for making your life's passion, giving it to people like me and the tools to better provide themselves and their families. I know I couldn't have found a better caddy. Best Pro Trader Tyrone. I played some good golf this weekend, too. So that's a real deal, guys. I didn't write that shit. And I didn't post it on Trust Review or on the internet or on here. That's a real deal Holyfield, John Cena pack, power pack, Puma. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, that's, you know.
And his name is John Cena!
Nice. So I got these 7 denominations of Bitcoin, this article that I wrote this weekend. Check it out. Do you know there were like 10 Bitcoin combinations all doing different things? Let me show you. And guys, you know, let me show you this. This, you know. Hey, Kyle and Jason, they just came up with this new fucking thing. They're reinventing themselves again. Every week they got a new program. It's called the Twilight Oracle or something like that. The magical hole of profitability is something crazy, man. Crazy. Dude, it's just crazy out there. I don't want to deal with that shit. Let me show you what the denominations of Bitcoin are. Crazy. Navidad. Feliz Navidad. So think of the Bitcoin as the $1,000 bill. As Bitcoin is $3,500 a coin now. It's actually like $4,000, almost $3,600. That's like a $1,000 bill. Now you don't carry around too many of these in your wallet. You don't see people paying for groceries with $1,000 bills. The same will be as Bitcoin, as it's used for large and secure purposes, not for use in purchasing a pack of gum. Do you know you can buy a $10 million house with Bitcoin and transfer that money peer-to-peer would cost you less than 10 US dollars? Now look at today's money transfer methods. Transferring around millions of dollars would have costs associated with that are 10 times more of what it would cost using Bitcoin. So I do see a use for Bitcoin as a currency used for large-scale purchasing. At the current price of $3,500, my target is 100% in less than 3 months, puts Bitcoin at $7,000 a coin, and it's at $35.86. Bitcoin right now is $34.19, $34.20. It's down 1%, 5% in the last day, and the week 10%. Hanging. And micro Bitcoin's at 5, up 66%, the one I have. 66. So if Bitcoin was up 66%, it would be up it would be like 4,000. It would be up like 2,000 points. You'd be like, dude, this guy's sick. But I give you this one, and you're like, yeah, whatever. There's a link below to the Stex exchange on how to buy this coin. Because if it does go to 50 cents and $1 and Bitcoin's 100,000 a coin, you're going to say, damn, man, this kid once was freaking guy with a Callaway hat was telling me to buy it at like a penny, 2 pennies, 3, 4, whatever pennies. And now the thing's like 50 cents, $1, a quarter, a half dollar, $1, a $5, a $10. Who knows what denomination it's going to be? But it's not going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up much higher, going to retest 19,000, go 20, 30, 40. At that time, what's this coin going to be? And this is what Bitcoin is in this video. Now think of Bitcoin Cash as a $100 bill. It's at 108 per coin right now. At the current price of 108, my target is over 200 per coin on Bitcoin Cash in 3 months. It brings sound money to peer-to-peer. It's more like a faster. All businesses will transact in Bitcoin Cash. You know, you want to buy like, you know, a couple of $100 worth of something, $500 worth, $1,000 worth. You know, you pay with 10 Bitcoin Cash. Larger purchases, not a house, but like, you know, between $500 and a couple $1,000. And then you come down and you got Bitcoin Gold, the $50 bill. It's $12.50 per coin. So, you know, you'd buy like, you know, $1,000, you'd have 10 coins. Much easier and simpler to keep track of. And they all accept, you know, as you accept a 50 or a 20. It's just a denomination. Who named this? You know, the Grant. You know, the Franklin. These present, you know, it's Bitcoin Cash. It's just a name for a currency that has a value. Think of Bitcoin Private as a $20 bill. It's $2. You know, think of a Bitcoin Diamond as a $10 bill. It's 73 cents. And think of Bitcoin Interest as a $5 bill. It's 36 cents. Bitcoin Interest. Now think of micro Bitcoin as the dollar bill. It's not 0.36, it's a penny. It's a decentralized, traceable, most private payment. Everybody. So listen, when Bitcoin was at 19,000, you were an early buyer. Early investors paid 6 cents a Bitcoin. At a $100 investment 7 years ago, you might want to sit down for this. It's worth $28 million today when that shit ran up. Why I wrote that. Could this shit happen with these coins? Absolutely. That's why I wrote it. That's why I'm buying it. And that's what I got going on. If asked how much I got or what it is, listen.
I have my economic sovereignty. I am financially secure. I'll do whatever the fuck I want with my money. That's the nature of Bitcoin. It is about financial sovereignty. And that means not answering to anyone about what the fuck I want to do.
Let's check out some stocks this morning and what we did. Crohn's 46, NBEV's 86. When I look over here, guys, I'm looking at my third screen. Patsy's doing really well. Pro Trader Patsy buying and selling on my shit. When I tell, she does and jumps, makes money. I've been trading for 25 years. No one's going to tell you this. I have 2 layouts for my platform. See my DOS Trader? This is layout number 2. It has 0 order entry. I can't place an order, even if I wanted to. It's against my rules. In the beginning of the day, I had my other layout open, where I had my order entry open and I could make money. But I'm done for the day, so I switch layouts. It's an amazing tool and power play to use as a day trader. So right here, 8:45 a.m. Look, it already traded. It was going on this morning. For some reason, someone's buying it like crazy. Look, they were just buying it. Look, 0.72 point. That's like just buying it over and over and over and over. Every second they're buying 0.72 Bitcoin. Look at that. Someone's buying 46 million. It's climbing 48 million, 52 million. It just kept, it was crazy. Someone was just buying the shit out of it. Look. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. They're just buying the shit. And then we're going to trade Crone. We traded Crone. And APHA, Afira. Here's my golf video. Check it out. Now, that's not Sergio. No. No. That's not Dennis. No. No. That's not Justin Thomas. No. That's not. That's Mojo. So, that's me. See the green right up here? The lake, the green. This is the blues. I moved up. I play the backs, the golds, the tips. But I moved up so my son could take my video. And I'm going to drive that golf ball 300-yard carry up that hill onto that green. With a hot into that cloud, it's going to come up here, and it's going to go high, and then draw right on to that little ping right there. I got all this room over here, but I'm going to aim for the hill and draw it, because I got a lot of area right there, and draw it right onto the green. Okay? Now watch my head and my body up here. I don't move. Only my bottom torso moves. Watch. This drive, and I have my tongue sticking out. This drive, I have the club hovered above the ground. Watch my head. Perfect stance. Here we go. You ready? Watch. Look at that perfect takeaway. Look at that, dude. Risks. Look at my wrist cupped already. Look at that. Perfect at the top. Head right on the ball. Perfect back. Look at the wrist. The cup in the wrist, perfect triangle right here in the back. Look at this. The same way I took it away is the same way I'm bringing it back. But look at my wrists. How the cup in my wrist with the lag on that. My head right on the ball. I haven't moved my head or my upper body. Look at that. Right on the ball. Look at that. Foot coming up a little bit, the ball's already gone. It's right there. See it? Right there. It's heading up into the clouds. And I'm following it with my eyes. Now my arms come up right above here, high. And that's the shot. And now it's going to soar onto the green. And that's the shit. And that's it, baby. Smooth. You want to see another drive? 344 yards I hit, the same smoothness. I think I had found it. Where was that video? That was on my my Twitter. Main screen. Moments. No. Where did I see that? Media. It was on the videos. Media. How can I find, it was on my phone. Dude, no way, I got this video. Media. Nope. Anyway, I had another video. Here you go. Same thing. Look. Awesome posture. Same exact stance. Hovering the club. Here's the takeaway. Same back. Look at that. Look at my head. Not moving. Look at that. Not moving. And there's the ball right up there, straight. That's a 300-yard drive. Ready? Here's the carry.
310 carry. 340-yard drive.
Smooth. 310 carry. That's 310. With a 30-yard roll. With a draw. You can see where it starts out. The ball starts right here, like at the line, and then draws in. See it? Now it's drawing. See it? Boom. I almost drove the green. See it?
340-yard drive.
That's a good one right there. Here's another one. Here's another shot. Same thing. So look, my tongue's sticking out like Jordan. Same posture, same hover of the club, same exact stance. I'll tilt a little bit more. There we go. See, I tilted a little bit more. Now I'm in position. Watch my head. Doesn't move. Ready? Hovering the club. Don't touch it on the ground. Ball's going to start right here at the line and then draw over. Look at the back. Perfect position here in the back. My head doesn't move. See it? Boom. That's a crush. I killed that. Look at me spin the club after I hit it like Tiger. See it? Spin that shit. Look. Look at that finish, dude. High and beautiful. See me spin it? Spun that club. Look how far this shot is. Oh, it's the same one? What? No, I got it. I used to go to this place, Indoor Golf. See, I'm wearing my black shirt. Everything's the same every day. This is where you hone your game. Watch my tongue stick out like George. See your tongue. You're real athletes. They got that tongue sticking out. Watch this shot. Look at that. Same posture. Same freaking hit. Boom. This one's going to the right a little bit. Look at my face when I hit that shit. I'm like, ah. I hit that shit hard. That's why it's going to the right. That's a bad shot, see? But it's in the fairway. Everyone's like, shit. That's a 315-yard fade. How about this day?
I'll start first. This is my portrait right on the first.
This is my old driver, too. I got a new driver now. See? Hovering the club, tongue sticking out. Boom, same shot. See me, that perfect, keeping the head down.
306 yards.
306.
Great job, Trader Mike.
Look at Justin. Great job, Pro Trader Mike. Crush it. Nice and smooth. Boom, smooth as bullet. Another great one. Yeah, it was.
He must do a good job on this. That was 323 yards.
323.
I'm done. This is the third shot he is doing for the owners of MOJO Day Trading.
He's so cute. Boom, 3 of them. 300 again. That was straight, no fade. Actually faded a little bit.
306 yards.
306. See that? I hit it 3. Here's Justin. He hit it 170 today. Yeah, this weekend. Look at him there. Wow, I should show him that. He hits it so much better than that there. Wow, look at him bring his arms back. Wow, I got to show him that. That was sick. A couple iron shots right here. That was another one. That was a good one. 200. 299 carry.
319 total.
319 total. Look, I got all the figures right there. See that? 320 minus 152 RPM, so I have no spin. I hit a dead solid knock. You could see on the hit it right here. See that? Everything perfect. I think this is iron. 7 iron. Tongue sticking out. I always could see my tongue. So same thing, same posture, head right on the ball. My body covers the ball. Hover the club, don't touch it against the ground. Same position at the top. Look at that, head right on the ball. See that? Head right on it. Great turn, great hip turn. Great position on the back. Beautiful. Beautiful shot. 166 yards. With the 7, that's what I'm supposed to hit at 165. Off by a yard. Here's a, what's this one? Pitching wedge. Nope. Yeah, pitching wedge.
133.
Oh, I even called the distance. Wow, I knocked that 146 with the wedge. What, are you kidding me? I juiced that one, huh? It shows you your arc. My path is perfect outside of the line right there. Perfect apex. Reverse spin, side spin, none. Reverse, back spin, some. Total distance. Gives you everything. That's a smooth one. 132. See how smooth I swung that wedge? Here's the wedge. Nope. Yeah, look how smooth that wedge is. Hold my nice high finish. 132.
136.
136. I hit him over and over and over and over and over, so I know the distances to a yard or two. Cool. I like those videos. Is there differences in technology behind the different BTC types, different algorithms, but you could think of it as a different denomination? So NBEV's back at 5. I have NBEV and JNUG. See what I got. I have covered calls on both. I can't sell them. That's the beauty of covered call writing. You buy a stock and you're up in it. You don't sell it for, even though you want to sell it for a profit, you can't because you have options tied onto them. So I have a $5.50 option for December 21st. And I have to sell it at $5.50, and I got 40 cents in it. Yep. So I have 35-cent options. I sold them for 35 cents. My cost basis is $487 on 5,000 shares. Looks like it's going to Heinz here. I'm going to buy some for a Heinz trade right here on NBEV Live. Why not, right? Putting some orders in, folks. Not anything. Be careful, boys. Put a sell in at 519. I'm putting a sell in at 519. And I can't buy it in my day trading account. I close that down. This is my swing and my other shit I got going on. Easy money. I have to give it up and shit. Whatever. I won't miss it in my others. In the snow. Smart Cash is doing good too. SMART on the coin side. Came up on my other screen. Christmas call. Right. It's gonna rip. Looks like that NBEV gonna take a pop. Yeah, got some snow gem coins to sell here, 57 of them. The ones I used to know, I gotta send them over to the exchange so I could buy some micro Bitcoins. Send it over, 56.9 coins. Done. Success. There's $5 on NBEV. Do I? Nice Heinz on NBEV. $5.05. You guys see this NBEV at 5.05? That was a good job. It's going to go back through 5. Told you. I'm going to sell some options for 40 cents, the 550s that expire on the 21st. So I'll take a 590 sale price right now and 50 cents on the stock. I'll lock that shit right in. What I'm trying to do right now. And hurts. Woo. Damn spanky nice. I want that shit go 520 right now. It'd be sick. Look at that shit gonna go right through 5 and rip again. Rum came back too. Good Monday, man. J-No came back down. So I was mining some Ethereum, but I stopped because it's just not quick enough for me. Like this micro Bitcoin has another 10 coins. Since I sent the last ones over, I'll send another over 10. I get them every couple of minutes. Right here, the transactions from my miners. Oops. Look, 57, 59. I just sent those. Look, 54, I got 3. 57, I got 3.5. And then 59, I got almost 4. Within 9 minutes, I got 11 coins. LRX is moving. 35 cents on this little penny LRX. I'm glad I stuck to my guns and I didn't trade that NBEV because it made just a quick spawn. Even though I would have taken the profits, I'd probably still be in some, and I would have felt bad because I broke my rules and I didn't stick to my guns. So I'm glad I did. What indicator do I use for an entry? I trade price. There is no indicator. I buy 90 as entry 1. I add 95 as entry number 2. And then I add again 97 plus. I'll add again a third entry. And then I'll sell it through like I just did. Understand? Oh, that freaking NBAB looks like it's gonna break. Ready to go to 520. I don't think I can hold it down no more. Here's $5 again. Bye-bye. $5. See ya. Now shorters are going to get punished. Whoever shorted against Mojo, you're going to get punished now. Get ready, get burned on the short side, happy on the long side. I got 4 more coins. See that? They just keep on coming in, so I just got to send them over. 4 more coins, send. And then I go over to the exchange and I freaking sell them, buy some more freaking micro Bitcoin, right? Yeah. Nope, got no snow gem in there just yet, but it will be in there soon. Beautiful, making money every day. So what I do with the mining, I do the mining, and then I get the cash out, and then I buy Bitcoin with 5-to-1 leverage, and I trade it. And yesterday I made 7% on Bitcoin. Made $350 trading that I wouldn't have had mining. So I add that to the mining kit and caboodle. As I watch NBEV rip to a new high right now. There too. Yep. NBEV. Cost basis. And this one, $493. My other cost basis, $478. Oh, I can't wait this thing just to pop 20 cents right now. It's going to be like, Papa Chang. Papa Chang. And I ain't missing out on nothing. You're like, dude, day trading account, I don't need that. I got like, 50,000 shares in my swing trading account with options. So, dude, I'm loving it. $478 with the $5 calls for 50 cents. That's $5.50. And then I got ones here at 90 with the $5.50 calls for 40 cents. I'm on the ask. So shall Allah that shit go? Loving it. After $5, a stock becomes marginable. So once it's everyone's like buying power is going to double and triple. And then they'll be able to like buy more shares. You know that? Bet you didn't know that. Penny pincher at $4.99 with IEX on the bid. Wow. Here's 501. Say bye-bye. And look, got another 3 coins. Another 4 coins came in. Send those over too. Every minute, they just keep on coming in. I just keep on sending them over. 502. On the bid, there's 505 signal. Say bye-bye. NBev. Bye-bye. Heinz. Good job, guys. Heinz. Heinz, guys. Oh, yeah, keep calm. Everyone's making big money in here every day. Crazy. Oh, yeah. It's awesome. Go back to the main screen. Oh, it's 502. Bye-bye. See that 509 high? Later. It's going to 520. See that shorter? Testing it with an odd lot. It's an odd lot, means it's 0 at 501. See that 350 and 1200 just got taken there. Crone's moving 1270 on Crone. Crone probably go to 13 right now too. Ba-rump-a-bump-bump. See what I'm up now. I'm up even more. I'm up 3,300 there, 4,000 there, another couple thousand there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Signal at 5. Up, just got some deposits in my wallet. Stable coins now on the DIA token exchange. See, that's what's going to happen. All my coins are going to get listed on other exchanges, and that shit's going to pop. WinMiner's shutting down. Oh, you sucker, Brandon. I hated WinMiner anyway. Da-dee-da. Bit bounce. Everyone's sending me this thing, bit bounce. I guess Imram don't want to use the room no more. See if he's in the room. Imram. Cancelled. Imram. There he is, trader Imram Zeus. He was here in June. Yeah. I'm gonna ban him. Now he can never come back. See, let's see. Now, he made a case against me with PayPal, so I kicked him out. Now, let's see if he's a legit person, because I'm going to look at the emails, and if he got my swing newsletter and opened it, I'm going to fight that charge. If he didn't, I'll refund him. Alright. Oh, he's actually unsubscribed from the swing. Nope, he hasn't opened my broadcast. It's good. He opened it with this one. Nope. Cool. He's good. Sleeping on back 'cause he hasn't been around. Doesn't want to be part of the Mojo, so he can get $99 back. Didn't know he was still a member, so I hook him up for the holidays and hooking him back, get him out of here, move on, baby. Oh, look, Arca's doing a trade, 15,900 on the ask on NBEV, holding it down to get some on the bid or something. Who knows? Shaky. 1284 on Crone. They can't hold them down, boys. Look. Crony Baloney's going to 13. May go test 15. That's my swing pick. Happening good. Oh, yeah. Easy, dude. No panic, no fret, no harm, no chow, brother. Dude, all good things take a little time to wrap. They're wrapping the Crone. Wrapping it. Going on there, partner. Pretty good. So, guys, listen, thanks for watching the Mojo Show. Peace, keep it profitable. I'll see you next time. Later.